on a little break right now. I just finished I guess the first 90 minutes of my presentation, and so we're taking a little break at the moment. So I'm gonna get a little feedback from the attendee to see how they like it and see what they say. Hopefully they say something nice, because this is gonna be, I stick the camera in their face and ask them, what do you think so far? And they may say something good, may say something bad, I have no idea.
Hi, I'm Fabio from Italy.
And how are you liking my presentation so far?
Very good, very good.
Excellent.
Interesting things.
Good stuff, all right.
Hey, my name is Ivan A. Phillips. I'm from Dominican Republic, and I'm so happy to be here with you, John.
Awesome, so
Yeah.
you enjoy my presentation so far?
Yes, I am. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you
I'm
very
looking
much.
to make the most out of it.
All right,
Yeah.
awesome. Thank you.
My name is Lauren Smith and I'm from California.
And how are you enjoying my presentation so far?
Oh, you're fantastic. You've given me a lot of good information already and still time to go.
I am Perry Hall. I am from Pomona, California. I'm enjoying your presentation. It's kind of cross-referencing with some things I heard from other people, and just having a good time. I'm basically a spectator, not really a participant, so learning a lot.
Awesome, great.
Hi, I'm Silvia Galati. I'm from Milan, Italy.
And how you enjoy my presentation so far?
It's great. You are great. It's
Thank you.
awesome.
Thank you very much. How you enjoy my presentation so far?
Love it.
All right, yes. Good stuff. I'm on the right track. Okay, so far, so good. Good feedback. Going back to the conference room right now. Gonna continue until lunch, and then we'll be breaking for lunch. I'm using Keynote for the Mac. That's what does all my slide. So I have it on my MacBook Pro. It's connected to the projector, and this is my little clicker here to go forward and backwards. See, forward and back, my clicker, and that's the remote for the clicker. So this is basically pretty straightforward.
My name is Alison Zuko, and I'm a global citizen.
Awesome,
I
man.
currently reside in London, but I grew up in the States, and I have been traveling the world for the past 7 years and looking to try and make that permanent.
Okay, and give me your feedback on my presentation so far.
Oh, feedback. Absolutely mind shift. It was an absolute mind shift. It's very interesting learning about the concept of free traffic and the fact that it's very possible. And I'm really excited to learn more about that and how to optimize my blog.
All right, awesome, thank you. I believe this is a one pour situation. Let's see if we can get all in there in one pour. May not be. It's deceptive. It's just tall and thin. See, like me, tall and thin. So we'll see if this is gonna be one pour. Oh, maybe. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Perfect. Wow. One pour.
I'm Khalid Stella, and I'm from Cleveland, Ohio.
All right, so give me some feedback. How are you liking my sessions?
I think it's very good. A lot of good tidbits, good gold nuggets, you know, things I really can use.
So, who are you and where are you from?
I'm Robert Regler from Germany.
Germany. Okay, you were in my session today?
Yes.
All right,
I
so
was in the
what did you,
session.
give me some feedback here. What did you like about it? Did you not like anything about it?
It was very interesting and lots of new information for me.
Good.
About traffic, how we can generate traffic, and I've learned very much, and I hope I can implement some
Implement, that's the
things
key.
of
I can teach this stuff, but if he doesn't do it, then help, what can I do?
I'm Anthony Mosor. I'm from Bloomington, Indiana, and I got involved in MOB last summer. I was actually doing travel nursing out in Seattle, but I realized I was lacking the control that I was really looking for, and I knew I wanted to work towards being my own boss, but I needed to know how to do it. Well, thankfully I got involved with the 21-step system. The experts I've learned along the way, such as Chow, and the great resources, the proven systems. So much of the work's already been done. It's about leveraging what's already out there. We don't need to reinvent the wheel most of the time. So it's been awesome. Already the value I've received just from what I've learned from John today, the Costa Rica Mastermind here, Titanium Mastermind. I so look forward to what I'll be learning in the next several days to come. I would encourage you to really look into this. You're gonna miss out if you don't. Good times ahead.
Buddy, let me tell you, if you don't go see John and let him tell you how to get free traffic, you're missing out, man, because I've been paying a lot of money for traffic, and I'm looking forward to working with John some more because I invested in his program today. And I think it's going to really help me get out and get working and making money and getting rich.
I'm Fabio from Italy. It was amazing, your presentation.
Thank you. Italy, all the way from Italy. How long was the flight?
We flew from Milan to New York, 9 hours.
Wow.
Then from New York to Orlando, 4 hours.
Wow.
Then from Orlando to Costa Rica,
Holy.
3 hours.
You did all that just to hear me speak.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. And so I hope the flight was. I hope it was worth it for that flight to come here. So that's great. And you are?
Hi, I'm Silvia Galati. I'm from Milan. I'm Fabio's wife, and you were great today. It was amazing and awesome.
Okay, so that is it for this episode of the .com Lifestyle Vlog. Basically, we're just going to relax here a little bit and chill. I haven't had time to check my stat, but the last time I checked it, I think I was up a couple of $1,000. But tomorrow, I'll give you the final numbers, and then you can see what happened. But here's the thing. Today, I've been all day in the seminar room training, offering guidance. But while I was doing that, I can do that because the systems I created online was making me money. And that's what the .com lifestyle is all about. Time freedom, money freedom, and location freedom is what I do, is what I live, is what I preach.